This week, we're working hard on the one-time tool, Vise-Less Work Support. So let's take a quick look into the shop and see what's going on. First, over at the automated saw, the beefy extruded aluminum super track is cut to length. Those super track parts are then loaded up on a CNC milling machine. Which mills the track connector sockets and smooths out each end of the track. After the parts are milled, they're inspected by the machine operator and checked for tolerance. Over at another CNC milling machine, the aluminum bodies are drilled out for the handle and super track connecting hardware. Thanks for watching this quick update as we continue to work on the Vise-Less Work Support and prepare for shipping. Stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.